Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Well, this is my onion them. I see they have an seed, they pushing for seed. So it's my first time planting onion, so I really don't know. So I decide to try this one. Already pull off the top because I see the leaves, the stem them start drying. So I decide, you know what, let me see what's going on under here. So I'm gonna try to take this out and see if I get any success. Because like I said, guys, it's my first time. Wow! My first time planting onion. And look the size of onion I get. Oh my goodness. Guys, could you please tell me if I need to start harvesting, because it's my first time and I don't know for sure. Please, I'm asking you guys, please tell me if I should continue harvest or leave it a little more. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.